Yes, my people. Welcome back to the Mac 4K World Tour. Yeah, man, coming to you from Jamaica. Yes, and for this one, I'm going to give you a driving tour. I'm starting this one in Fairfield, St. James. Yes, and we're going on to Bogue and to Long Hill and end this one in. Alright, guys, so as I said, we're going on to Antrovy for this one. Yes, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour. Straight into Antrovy from Fairfield. Okay, guys. So on the left over here, you'll find all this commercial building over here. You'll find Vista Print and all of those places. I think you have some call center over there too. Yeah. Wow. That man is driving crazy on the road there. Look at that. Yes. Okay, guys, so we're gonna take a left turn right here and go straight into Bogue. Nice sunny day today. So on the left over there is the Bogue Cemetery. Yeah. Guys, on the right there is Herbert Morrison School over there. I don't think they're fully up to 100% right now because they get a big damage in the storm. Look at the roof there. So they still lose some roof over there. And the fence right there. See? Alright. So we continue our tour. Yeah. Okay, guys, we continue our tour into Antrovy. All right. So we're currently going into Bogue right now. That is the overhead pass to go back into Fairview, guys. Yes, so they're building the road right across there. All right. So on your left on the mountain there, guys, that's where the bypass gonna travel through. Yeah, the bypass gonna travel through Bogue Hill. Yeah. Look up there, guys. Yeah. Bogue Heights. JP is hard at work, guys, trying to restore back the current situation after Hurricane Melissa passed. Yeah, 3 months after Hurricane Melissa passed, a lot of people still don't get back current as yet. Yeah. Wow, you see that, guys? That man is crazy. He overtake me on the left. Wow, only in Jamaica. Oh, I tell you. So you look over there, a lot of houses still have tarpaulin on the roof there. Yeah. Yes, my people. So my people, we're gonna take a left turn and go up Long Hill now and go straight on into Montpelier. Yeah. Wow. So this is Long Hill, my people. Or you call out here Reading post office, that we want there. Yeah, this is Reading. Some nice house, and when you look at the roof, it's just tarpaulin on the roof. See all over there on the left there, that school over there got damaged. Yeah. So we're going up Long Hill now, my people. Yeah. Wow, look at the roads. Road pretty bad up here. Look like. Reddings Heights, up the hill there, guys. So we are currently on Long Hill Road. Yeah. Trees are putting back on their leaves. Look over there, guys. Wow. Can you imagine how it did look 3 months ago? So I'll now restore back up this side yet. The post empty. That place is dangerous, you know. This road is a very dangerous road, you know. Wow, see that, guys? You have to be very careful on this road here when you're driving. It's very dangerous. Wow. See all the drain over there still block up. Look at that. So you know if you get a shower rain, the water will come right over in the road. Alright guys, so we continue our journey into Anchovy here. Look on that roof up there on the hill there. You saw the storm tear up that roof up there. Look up there guys. They have rafting around that side there. See this sign there? Wow, that truck is coming bird speed. I give him way, guys. Wow. Oh, that is a light and power truck. Carry the post. Wow. He's making the way into the hills. Okay. So this is where the bypass gonna come across here. See they build the overhead pass there right there. Yeah, that is the overhead pass right along there. Okay guys, so we're currently in Anchovy now. See sign on the left there guys, welcome to Anchovy. Yeah. So this is Anchovy High School on your left down there, guys. Yeah. This is the Anchovy town center. Yeah. Weird. Well, the cameraman is spinning a car in a road. Serious? Oh Lord. So this is the current situation. 3 months after Hurricane Melissa passed. Wow, the road is very bad up here though. Wow. Anchovy police station, post office over there get damaged in the storm. Look at it, guys. This is the police station on the left here. Some serious bad road up here. Look at the roads, man. On the right, guys, a lot of houses still have tarpaulin on the rooftop there. Wow. So over here. Oh. Man, look at the road. Wow, this road is no joke. It's very rough up here, guys. Whoa. Serious. It's the first time I'm coming up this side since the storm. Yeah. The road is very bad, man. See, look at this truck there. That's why you have a lot of traffic up here. Alright, thank you. Oh, see that, guys? Wow. Look all on the church there. I think that church is a Baptist church over there. On the right. Rooftop blow off. So guys, we currently leaving Anchoby now, going into Montpelier. Oh, they're working on the road. They're working on the drain here, right here, guys, so I have to stop. Okay, thank you. I'm fixing some pipes here. Oh. So this is the bad road around here. Okay, all right. Wow. Truck brake down right in the corner. Look at that, guys. Ours. Really stopping the corner, so. are in Mount Carey. So this is it. Very rough road down here, guys. In Mount Carey. Huh? Oh, look at that. Look at the road. Oh gosh. Guys, look at this road here in Mount Carey. This is the main road to Sav and to Bethel town. And look at the road. Wow. Let's see what's up here. This is no joke. Alright guys, I don't think I'm gonna go any further. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Whoa, this one is horrible. Whoa, no sir. I have to turn back right here.